guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we'll be doing some shopping at Walmart. If you guys enjoy Walmart shop with me videos, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So you guys already know, starting off, we are going to try some clothes on, and I definitely wanted to try on this set because I thought it was so beautiful for spring and summertime. Now this set is in the activewear section. It's going to be from the brand called Love and Sports. I am wearing mine in an extra small, so a size 0 to 2, and it does retail for $24. And you guys, this was so comfortable to wear, and I definitely think it's a nice fabrication in terms of not being too heavy for spring and summer. So definitely check it out if you want a nice two-piece set for the spring and summertime to wear as an active set. The next dress is going to be a cross-back dress from Time and True. This dress does retail for $17.98. And you guys, I definitely think this dress is going to be perfect for a wedding, a date night, or definitely just a nice fun brunch with your girls. This dress does have a sweetheart neckline as well as a tie detail in the front. It also has a ruche bodice and a tiered skirt. So if you are in for a fun flirty dress for the spring and summer, definitely check this dress out. Alright you guys, so the next item is going to be this gorgeous black dress. I love the way it fits, and I just think it's so cute to wear to the beach or just a fun picnic. I don't remember the brand for this particular dress, so I will have it linked in the description box below. But it is definitely a fun dress for spring and summer, so definitely check this one out. This Sofia Vergara asymmetric dress was probably hands down my favorite dress in this try-on portion of the video. I love the ruching detail on the side of the leg, and also it has a square neck for the neck portion of the dress, which I thought was very flattering. Keep in mind, this is a spandex material, so the undergarment that you wear, you would have to be very careful about it because you can see any and everything in this dress. Now, this dress, it retails for roughly $20. So if you are in for a nice, sexy dress for a date night, check it out. Again, it was hands down my favorite dress, but just be careful of the undergarment that you choose to wear with this dress. So the next items are going to be from the brand Love and Sports. The first item is going to be this rib tank. I am trying mine on an extra small, and it does retail for $20. The rib tank does have a removable inner cup as well as a wicking fabric, and it does provide medium support. And the Skort, I am trying mine on an extra small as well, which retails for $24. And it is, again, a Skort, so you do have your shorts on underneath. And I thought it was very cute and comfortable. I definitely enjoyed both pieces, but I probably would have to get the top in a small versus the extra small. Moving on into the next activewear set, this set is going to be from the brand called Avia. Now, the sports bra is going to be a 2-strap molded cup sports bra. I am trying mine on in a size small, and it retails for $13.98. The fabric is moisture wicking, and it does have a spandex fabrication to provide comfort and stretch. And the pants are going to be compression shorts. I am trying on the shorts in a size small, so 4 to 6, which retails for $12.98. Again, same moisture wicking fabrication, and again, it does have that spandex material, and the pants also has size pocket as well. I will say the actual compression part of the shorts were definitely tight around my legs, but beyond that, I thought it was a cute set if you are looking for a new activewear set for the spring and summer. Now, these shorts are going to be a Bermuda style shorts, which retail for $8.98. I am wearing mine in a size extra small, size 02, and it's going to be from the brand called Athletic Works. You guys, these pants were so comfortable, and I wish they had other fun colors. I thought the teal color was a fun option. If I'm not mistaken, the other colors I saw in store was more of your neutral colors. But I definitely want to get these shorts, and it does have pockets on the side, and I think it'll be cute to wear in the house. The last two items are going to be from the brand called Avia. The Skort I thought was really cute with the pleated detailing on the side. It almost reminds me of like a school skirt. I don't remember the price on the skirt, so I will have the price in my description box. It does have shorts as well underneath, so you definitely don't have to worry about adding any shorts. And the sports bra is going to be a front closed sports bra with a zipper detail in the front. My only issue was it was kind of digging in my shoulders. I was trying mine on an extra small, so I may have to up the size next time I try on the sports bra. But beyond that, the Skort and the sports bra were really cute together, and I also like the sports bra with the Bermuda shorts as well. Alright you guys, so we are in the skincare section and there are a couple of brands I've never seen before. The first one is going to be Loved 01. This is going to be their face and body oil, and they also have a exfoliating cleanser. And a face and body cream wash. So if you guys have tried this brand, let me know in the comment section how you guys like it. The next one is going to be Bolden. This brand right here. This is going to be their skin brightening toner, dark spot fix, and brightening moisturizer. And then Cocoa Kind, never heard of that either. They have this ceramide barrier serum, ultimate oil to milk cleanser, and vitamin C glow serum. Eye cream. So yeah. Also ITK, haven't heard of them either. So lots of new brands that they have in Walmart. They also have Verse here as well, but I think Target has a more extensive line in terms of more options, but they do have Verse here as well. Also Bubble, haven't heard of this brand either, but they have a full display here at Walmart. Let's see, we have a cleanse, treat. So bounce back balancing mist, morning ray brightening eye cream, water slide is a serum, gentle exfoliating serum, blemish prevention serum, AHA exfoliating mask, clay mask, gel moisturizer, hydrating moisturizer, water cream moisturizer, sleep mask, face oil, sunscreen, and sunscreen. This is so cute. They have the Flamin' Hot Cheetos eyeshadow palette. They have some brushes, and they have a beauty set. It's a 5-piece set. You get 2 lip gloss wands, lip gloss compact, and a lip balm. That's cute. They have Doritos eyeshadow palette, a brush set, and also a nail polish set. And then they have Fruity Pebbles eyeshadow palette and a brush set, and you have 2 lip glosses as well. $4.97, $6.97, $8.97. This is the inside of the Doritos eyeshadow palette. And the inside of the Fruity Pebbles eyeshadow palette. Really pretty colors. Flamin' Hot Cheetos eyeshadow palette. Profusion has a Jurassic Park collection. So you have your eyeshadow palette. You also have a spray and some lashes. So there is a Dragon's Blood cleansing water. It's supposed to hydrate and tone. If you have tried this, let me know. So for my skincare and my self-care girlies, they have a whole setup where you can bring the spa home with you. So yeah. Alright you guys, so we are in the home decor section, and look at these lamps. This one, I love the texture on it. It's by Simply Adesso, and it retails for $39.98. And this one is giving modern. So pretty. $36.94. Also by the same brand. Alright, you guys, so I'm in the pillow section and they really don't have that many new pillows that caught my attention, but I'm still going to show you guys the pillows that I do see in case any of you guys might like it. So let's do that. So this pattern is very pretty for the spring and summer. Not my preference for a pillow, but it's definitely cute and different. Also, this blue one is very pretty as well if you like pops of color and nothing that's too neutral. They also have this pillow. Love the texture detailing on it. You guys know I'm a texture type of girl, so love that. And also this yellow pillow is really cute as well. It is a throw pillow. It's a 2-pack by Better Homes and Garden. And then I love this one. It gives vacation. Really pretty. So they have fragrance warmers, and these are new. I haven't seen these before, and I actually have one of their fragrance warmers and I really do like it. So I'm gonna show you some of these because they're really cute and they retail for $16.48 in case you guys are in the market for one. Look at this one. This is gorgeous. I love that leaf detailing on it, and you do have the cutouts, so when you are warming your wax, it's gonna light up. This one is a bamboo type if you're into that boho look. They have that if that is your style. This one is really pretty. So I'm going to show you guys the bedding that they have, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, sometimes the bedding can be a hit and miss with Walmart. So I would definitely say make sure you guys at least feel it to see how it feels.
All night trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're
This cake stand is cute and different.